sandwich. Okay, this week I reviewed Lay's of China peach flavored Peri Peri from Al Chipino, and of course the Korean chicken with chicken sauce. None of them were great, so I figured why don't we try sandwiching them all and see if any of them redeem themselves. I think one's going to be particularly unpleasant. Let's sandwich, shall we? Okay, let's see if they can sandwich. First up, I'm going to do the chicken and sauce from Korea. You know, it's not bad. It's a savory chip, slight chickeny flavor, and butter. It's not bad. Not bad. Okay, next up, we're going to do the Al Chipino Peri Peri corn triangles. Yeah, this actually kind of works. The chips are bringing just enough flavor to the party to meet with the butter, and a little savory, a little bit of heat, not a lot, but not bad. And last, Lay's of China peach flavored potato chips. I'm doing this for you. Oh God, what have I done? I'm going to spit this out. Well, that was truly awful. Alright, well there you have it. Chicken and sauce flavored potato chips from Korea, canned sandwich. Surprisingly, Al Chipino Peri Peri corn triangles, tortilla chips, canned sandwich as well. These are an abomination. They should never be made. They should never be eaten. I'm gonna go burn them in the backyard. Alright, see you next week.